Monsoons, a season where the forests of India become lush green. Even the most arid and dry regions transform into stunning shades of green. But this beauty comes with its own set of challenges when it comes to tracking big cats. I'm in the forests of Rajasthan and the monsoons are just about to end here. The conditions are very tough, the sky is mostly overcast, the light is flat and the forest is very dense. Not the best time to photograph and track big cats like tigers and leopards. But the best of camera technology performs in the most challenging conditions. And that is the reason I've got the new Canon EOS R5 in the field with me. It's a hot and humid afternoon out here. But for the past 10 days, I've been just following this particular tigress with her 3 cubs. Tracking down this family has been really very tough in this dense foliage. But finally, now since we have got hold of them, we are just waiting at a small water body right now. There would be some great interaction moments which I'm expecting. Every moment is important when you are shooting any form of wildlife. The EOS R5 speed is quite brilliant and I'm just going to fire a burst out here. Animals in these conditions are always hidden behind tall grass and thick bushes. The light conditions are always very tricky and your camera needs razor-fast autofocus just to pierce through the entire foliage to get the desired shot. And of course, the animal eye tracking, which is the key feature of the R5, helps you to ensure that your subject is constantly in focus while on the move. As a wildlife professional, I always believe that there are certain moments which are meant for videos. Shooting videos using the viewfinder was a new thing for me and I enjoyed that a lot. The inbuilt image stabilization gave me the capability of making handheld videos during a critical moment. The tiger is an apex predator in this forest, but these majestic cats also share their habitat with leopards. Leopards are shy and elusive. They keep gliding in and out through the thick shadows. But what I have seen of the R5 till now, photographing such quick moments should be a cakewalk and the camera should really perform well. As with most of the recent Canon cameras, the low light performance in this new technology is also a great feature. While I was on my way back from the game drive, some fruit bats gave me a chance to experiment with some of the shots. One of the best parts about the R5 is the in-camera cropping feature. Now you'll ask me, why is it essential to crop in camera when you can crop it later on? There are 2 reasons. One, the photographic satisfaction of coming out with a creative composition which is done through in-camera cropping. 2, when you are doing in-camera cropping, the output file is a RAW file. So essentially, no one can accuse you of cropping later on. Technology is a key pillar in wildlife photography as it aids you to expand your horizons. This is just the beginning of my journey with the Canon EOS R5, and I cannot wait to explore different parts of the globe in search of stories, species, and wildlife images with my new companion.